Yeah, guys, that's right. She thinks evidence about her sex life wasn't fair. Now, a lower court will look at the former Sunday school teacher's case.
When I was an intern in law school, I actually sat through much of the trial, and I specifically remember how much the prosecution focused on Miss Andrews' sex life, how much they focused on how bad of a mother she was.
OKC attorney Ed Blau saw the trial himself.
Brenda Andrew was convicted of conspiring to murder her husband.
Rob Andrew was killed in 2001. His wife Brenda, a former OKC Sunday school teacher, was found guilty of working with her lover, Jim Pavat, to plot and kill her estranged husband. Court documents say an $800,000 life insurance policy was purchased by Rob Andrew through agent Jim Pavat.
Many people are surprised to know that somebody can be given the death penalty if they are not actually the person who caused the victim's death.
But in a Supreme Court ruling Tuesday, justices ordered a lower court to take another look at her case, over 20 years after she was convicted in the murder.
Regarding her sex life, regarding her qualities as a mother, whether or not that evidence that should not have been given to the jury, whether it rose to the level of violating her due process rights.
The 10th U.S. Circuit Court of Appeals in Denver, Colorado, will now review Andrews' claims. Blau says it's possible she could be resentenced at the end of all this, or she could possibly get a whole new trial. It comes down to this question:
as to whether or not that evidence was unfairly and unduly prejudicial and therefore violated her constitutional rights.
Now, it is possible that court could take no further action at all. In Oklahoma City, Jason Berger, KOCO 5 News.